What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out Ranklytics, an AI-powered SEO tool that uses over 200 ranking signals to produce keyword-rich content and improve your search rankings. With over 200 ranking signals, Ranklytics goes beyond simple search volume. It analyzes user intent, content ideas, competitors, similar keywords, and everything that goes into creating content. To get started, just add your target keywords. You can import your own or use the Analytics tab to find high-ranking keywords qualified by over 200 ranking signals. From there, you'll get loads of data, including relevant content ideas, all of which you can save for later. But if you're ready to bang something out, Ranklytics will generate relevant keywords, potential titles, and tone options. From there, the AI can generate the content, or you can tackle it yourself. If you're trying to grow multiple websites, you're going to want to upgrade plans. At Tier 2, you can track 250 keywords and generate 10 AI-written articles every month for 3 websites. Bump it up to Tier 3, and you'll get 500 keywords, 50 AI-written articles every month, API access, an auto-scheduler, and white labeling for 10 websites. Alright, let's get back to the video. In minutes, Ranklytics can pump out an entire outline and write a full draft. You'll be able to add visuals and edit the copy. All the while, you'll see the SEO score improve in real time. Then there's the auto-scheduler. With this, you can get Ranklytics to write and publish articles for you every month. You also get access to Ranklytics Content Gap tool, which helps you identify your competitors' top-ranking keywords. You can also track those keywords and generate reports. And don't sleep on Ranklytics on-page report. You get insights into keyword usage, rankings, word count, meta tags, and mobile performance to keep optimizing your website. Listen, don't sweat the SEO stuff. Just click buy now to lock in your lifetime access to Ranklytics today.